Hi, today I just want to show you some of the shortcut keys that we've written in our blog. So the very first one that I want to actually work on is showing you how to enhance the presentation of your text. So to do that, all you need to do is select the text that you want to change. And for example, what I've done here is selected a couple of words. Holding down the Shift key, the Control key, and pressing the letter K, you'll find that Word changes this to small caps. It's just a nice subtle little way to enhance some of the text that you've got. Remember that you can always undo your latest change by using the shortcut key of Control Z. The next one that I want to have a look at is how to use the Shift Enter. Now this is really handy, I find, if you want to wrap some text underneath some bullet points or you want to give a bit of spacing. So for example, if I want to put a space between clipboard and font, by using the Shift Enter, you'll find it gives me a fake little line there. Alternatively, what I can do at the end of font is go Shift Enter and I can start to type information in, and you'll find that it has put that information into that line without using a bullet point at the beginning. There was no wrapping it around. Again, Shift Enter just gives it that extra space. So if you wanted to do that with the bullet point as you're typing, if you do a Control End, I'm just going to come to the end of my document. I'm going to turn on some numbers, and if I type in, for example, animal, Shift Enter, then Enter, you'll find what it does is the Shift Enter will give me that blank space, and Enter will actually give me the next bullet point. So just a couple of nice little tips there. I'm going to do a Control Home now and come back to the start of my document. And the third tip is how to center some information. You don't need to select it, it actually works on the paragraph. So by placing my cursor inside this paragraph, I'm going to do a Control E and it centers it, not Control C, but Control E for Ernie. You'll also find that I've given you the shortcut keys for left and right. They're always nice and easy. Control R for right and Control L for left. So each of those you can have a play with. The next one that I've talked about is how to put a date in a document, that if you want to actually have the date changing, then you only have to update it. You don't have to retype that date. So I've just gone to the start of my document, and the shortcut key for this is the Shift Alt and the letter D. So Word types the date in, and tomorrow when you go to bring up this date again, if you click inside that date, you'll find it says update. And all you're going to do is click on that, and Microsoft Word will go and talk to the computer. It says it's changed dates, and so therefore it will roll over to the 6th of the 6th, 2016. All right. The last tip I've given you is Control M, and I've already done that on this paragraph, so you'll see that it's indented it, where the opposite to it is Control Shift and M, and that takes it back out. So give those a go. They're nice and easy, those 5 tips, and in a couple of weeks' time we'll give you some more. I hope you've enjoyed these.